got a 2012 Ford Escape. Got a signal light out here. I used the Google box to see how to get at it because it's a bit of a pain. Didn't know how to get at it, and they're talking about pulling all these screws out here, then in the back of there, pulling the bumper off. Seemed like quite an ordeal. So I came out to do it, and I'm looking at the air filter. Pull the air filter out in the housing. That gives you access that you can get under here, get your hand under here, and you can reach the plug that way. What I did pulling the plug out, I got my one hand in here. Once you get it out, the wire's long enough that you can grasp it with this hand, pull the bulb out while you're holding it with this hand. Seems kind of monkey business, but it took me about 10 minutes to get that thing out and get the bulb changed. Good luck if you have a Ford Escape. That guy just clips in here. It's got a little strap that comes over. There's a couple screws here that hold that on. One there, one here. And then the cover, well, first the air filter goes in and the cover goes on. It's got 1, 2, so 4 screws on top. It's pretty self-explanatory. That goes on. Make sure it's sealed good. There you go.